The Sky Harbor Airport in Duluth, Minnesota has filled in around 7 acres of open water to build a new runway. And part of giving back to the public for the loss of open water are the placement of timber crib structures in the lake below the water. The porcupine cribs will give benefits to aquatic organisms by providing structure in areas that are lacking habitat complexity. A main function is the creation of a food web through the accumulation of algae and microinvertebrates on the crib, providing opportunities for fish to forage, as well as shelter and refuge from predation. As the largest tributary to Lake Superior, the St. Louis River is vital to the regional economy and encompasses the port of Duluth Superior, an essential port for Great Lake shipping. The estuary is an important fish spawning habitat. This project, in combination with other remediation projects, will improve habitat and progress the river toward recovery from historical pollution and habitat loss.